Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can automatically basically color grade your videos using the auto coloring tool. So you are before I begin, this is a pro feature, so I'm going to just select this video for instance, and I will be going to the adjustments tab, and there's going to be an auto adjust, and it is under a pro feature. So you can select the auto adjust here, and you can adjust the strength of the adjustments. They basically adjust more like the lightness of your videos, and then here you can add any extras that you want, for instance like color temperatures and whatnot, and the saturation. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.